Hi, this is Miss Doherty, and I want to show you how to cite an image using NoodleTools. And I'm in an image search result page. I searched for Sunita Williams, and starting from here, before I even open up an image, I actually want to do the first thing, which is look at URLs. I could use Wikipedia. There's indianlink.com, AU, indianexpress.com. I'm kind of skimming across to see which one of these. I see nasa.gov. I know that's a really good, and I see NASA here as well. That's a really good, reliable website. And bbc.com. A lot of these look great, but I'm going to go with NASA because I'm hoping that I'll get the best information. This is a great photograph because she's wearing her outfit. It's a formal pose. This one I don't recognize. Latest gkgs.com doesn't look as well known and as reliable as nasa.gov. So the first thing you want to think about is trying to find a good site, and just skimming the URLs is a really good way to help you narrow that down. So I'm going to go ahead and go in here, and now that I'm in here, I can visit the website. If you're on an iPad, it'll look a little bit different, but you'll have a button to visit the website. So in order to cite the image, you actually have to go to the website to get the information that you'll need to cite it. So I'm going to click Visit. And again, before I even decide whether or not I want to use it, I'm going to just do a quick check of the site. One thing I'm looking for is a caption. And look, here's a caption. NASA astronaut Sunita Williams. It tells me the date it was taken. It tells me that she was Expedition 32 flight engineer and Expedition 33 commander, attired in a Russian so-called launch and entry suit, takes a break from training in Star City, Russia to pose for a portrait. So this is great because it has a caption. It tells me what's going on. It gives me some information about this image. It has a photo credit. It tells where the photo was taken. And so this is a great photo to use for a project. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to NoodleTools, and I am going to go into Sources. I'm in my project already. And once I'm in Sources, then I can choose Create a New Citation, and it's on a website, so I'm going to select Website, and then I'm going to select Photo or Image Born Digital. So it's a digital image. And now I have a form. So now I need to go back and get the information. The first thing I need is the name of the container website. That just means the website that you found it on, the name of the website. I'm actually going to switch that. So I found it on NASA. It was on the NASA website right up here. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And then it asks me for the publisher of the site. So I will look way at the bottom of the page and see. It's NASA again. And, NASA is so well known that we really can just use NASA. We don't necessarily need to spell that all out, although in some cases you may need to do that, but in this one I would say no. Publisher URL, we do need the URL of the page we found it on, so I'll go up to the address and get that. Paste it here. And then the date of publication for the page is what I'm looking for, not necessarily for this. That's the actual photo. So for this page, last updated June 26th, 2012. So I'm going to use that. June 26th, 2012. And then most recent date of access, that's the day I looked at it, and that's today. I can just click today for that. So photo or image role artist, that's who you give the credit to. There's no one's name here, but we will use this photo credit, Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center. And I am going to put that right in the spot for the last name or group, because that's the name of the group that's responsible for this photograph or image. And it is a photograph. And the title is NASA astronaut Sunita Williams. If it didn't have a title, you could just describe it, and I could use the information in the caption for the description. The date created in copyright was 22 February 2012, so I'll use that. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Saving it, and it's right there. It has all the information that I just put in. You do definitely want to go to the web page that an image came from, and the more information you can find, the better. If there's no information about the image at all, I would just look for a different image. Okay? Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.